Georgia Jagger von Wolfgang Uranitsch. Johnny Depp von Wolfgang Uranitsch. Queen Beatrix from Clemens Hollerer. A work by Nikki Passat. Do Not Disturb by Yoshimoto Nara. Brigitte Bardot by Wolfgang Uranitsch. An Indian by Wolfgang Uranitsch. Spray painted work by Wolfgang Uranitsch. A car by Wolfgang Uranitsch. Painting or spray painting on canvas, Brigitte Bardot by Wolfgang Uranitsch. Mick Jagger by Wolfgang Uranitsch, spray painted. Woman in Rosé by Elisabeth Pfnies, 5-part work. Woman in Rosé, 2nd part. The so-called Rauchkuchel, the only heated room in the tower in the 16th century, where they made food and had it as a room heating. Falco by Wolfgang Uranitsch. Cars on a Street by Wolfgang Uranitsch, spray painted work. And this is a Porsche, as far as I remember, by Wolfgang Uranitsch, spray painted work. Austrian Contemporary Art and Counterparts Worldwide is opening on Friday, the 7th of October 2022 at 4 p.m. going on until 7 p.m. I look forward to seeing you. Bye. Daniela Hubbards, Curator and Head of AOH Family Trust. And last but not least, we have Jonathan Monk, a work after Ed Roger. It's called Book Deal Number 1 and shows a small excerpt of a limited edition book by Ed Roger, which can be painted on the wall or with lettering on the wall, and is available after the exhibition closes. Like all the works we've seen here, will be part of an art auction benefiting people that are less fortunate in society and benefiting those who have trouble financing their degrees. So for educational purposes, for people who do not have enough money to pay for their student fees, and for people who have problems in life, we have put down all the artworks in a trust, and you can apply to get money out of it when we sell some work. And this is the purpose of AOH Stiftung or Family Trust, Familienstiftung. Thanks for your attention. Bye.